Okay, so you know how a lot of people love Disney World. Disney World is like the greatest thing on earth. Well, I do love Disney World, but I am at a place right now that is like a Disney World to me. I am at the master of school buses, garage, sales lot, everything. I am at AAA Bus in Phoenix, Arizona right now to see Tony about putting a new window in my door. The other day, I misstepped on the first step and I slid down the stairs and my knee banged into the glass and I broke the glass. So I'm here with Tony. He's gonna help me get some new glass in this door. I just can't be driving around with a broken piece of glass in there. I want this bus to look clean and smooth and legit when I'm on the road. So Tony's gonna help me get some new glass in this door and I'll be on my way. I'm also here to take a look at buses for a friend that's interested in buying a bus. So I'm gonna take a look at the buses that he has in stock, see what's a good option for her, take some pictures of all the buses that maybe would work and send them to her. She's probably gonna come down here next week or so and pick up a bus of her own. This is the only place on earth for me, for buses. If you need a school bus, come down to AAA Bus in Phoenix. It is the only place to go for school buses. I'm gonna take you for a little walk around the lot, show you what he's got in stock, show you all of the cool school buses that he's got here. There's a lot of really, really neat buses. Here's the broken glass that I smashed with my knee when I fell down the stairs the other day. Right here is the impact from my knee and it just kind of shattered. We broke it a little bit more taking it out because it really doesn't matter. But right here is the new glass. It's some nice new clean glass, not so clean, but that's okay. It's gonna be going in this panel right now. It is not there. So yeah, I need a new piece of glass for my door. It needs to go right in there. But this place is a awesome resource for school buses. There's probably 100 buses on the lot right now. Everybody loves the shorties and he's got a nice selection of short buses to choose from and full-size buses. These are all the full-size Skoolies. These things are awesome. He's got diesel pushers, he's got front engine buses. There's just so many buses here to choose from. It's amazing. I like these ones with the graphics on the side. A lot of activities buses with the bins underneath. Unfortunately, that causes pretty low ground clearance, so I'm looking for one that does not have the activities doors on the bottom. I'm not seeing any so far. We'll have to see. So this bus is one that he has right at the entrance of the place, and it's got this pretty awesome desert mural painted on the side. It looks so nice. I like it. It's pretty cool. Yep, pretty awesome. It looks like it was maybe done with spray paint. It's pretty nicely done. So, and then the whole other side of the lot is all school buses as well. It's got tons of school buses here. So many different kinds. And he's even got this one with a motorcycle on the front because he does service on these things as well. He's a very busy guy and he does do a lot of service, but I'm guessing this is a customer's bus with the motorcycle on the front there. The glass is now installed. All it took was a little bit of water and some Dawn dish soap and a couple hook tools, and we hooked it all around, and now got new glass in the bus. Super exciting. I'm so happy. That's awesome. I love this place. So there you have it. That is AAA Bus. This is the place to get your Skoolie, to get it built into a little tiny home on wheels. Whatever you want to do with the school bus, this is the place to come. AAA Bus. Come see Tony. Don't waste his time. He's a busy man. Don't be blocking up his time. He's got plenty of stuff to do. But if you're seriously interested in a bus, come see Tony. He'll get you all set up. This bus we've had for almost a year now, almost exactly a year. I haven't done a single thing to the bus. It runs great, it drives great. It is an excellent bus. I'm so happy with it. There is nothing that needs to be done. It's amazing. I mean, doing stuff on the inside, the home build, whatever, that's separate from what Tony does. He doesn't convert the buses for you, but he gives you a solid bus to start with, and it's easy. He'll make sure that that diesel motor is running like it should. It's not blowing smoke, there's no blow by. He knows the things to check for. He's done this hundreds and hundreds of times, and he has contracts with these school districts to get their old buses. He goes through them. If there's a bus that's not worth anything, he scraps it, takes all the parts apart, has a warehouse full of all the parts that you might need for your bus. It is amazing here. So if you want a bus, come see Tony. Definitely the best way to get your own Skoolie. Get a Skoolie from Tony. It's the way to go. My conversion started at AAA Bus. Awesome place. It's like my Disneyland. Woohoo! I love it. This is our bus at the lot, at Tony's lot right now. This is where it came from. I came back here to have some more glass put in. Look, there's a Wander Lodge over there that's made by School. That's made by Bluebird. It's freaking awesome. It's like an RV built out of a Bluebird school bus. Freaking cool. And like, here's an example of a bus that wasn't good enough, didn't make the cut. He's scrapping it, taking out the Allison transmission, scrapping all the parts, taking all the lenses off the lights, everything. Everything's usable. So he has little shorties, tons of little shorties. There's 4 sitting right here facing us. There's even more facing the road out there. And then just look at this. I mean, try to keep count of all the buses that I'm about to show you on this video. Over here is all the 40-foot flat nose buses. These are freaking awesome. Look at that. Tons of them. There's Tony over there working with the customer right now on his bus. Freaking killer. There's so many buses here. It's a little bit tighter over here. There's buses parked on top of other ones. These are really newer buses. I mean, these buses are probably 2015 or 16, something like that. So if you want a new bus, you can get your hands on one of those. This is like the first thing you see when you pull into Tony's lot is this big, beautiful bus. I really like this one. This one's cool. I'm not a big fan of the dog nose, but this one's got the big tires. It's got the big, beefy Allison transmission, the biggest one that they make. This one is a tough bus. It can really do some stuff. So on this side, he's got a whole other set of buses. There's tons over here as well. Little shorty. Look at this bus. He's got a bunch of these in right now with these graphics, All In for Kids, I think is the name of it. It's some program that the school districts were doing, I'm sure. I think this is more of like his graveyard. Buses that aren't making the cut, and customer buses are over here. So there's a ton of buses. It's amazing. All right, so from AAA Bus, we're taking off right now. See you, Tony. Tony's driving the forklift over there. I have got to get on the road. Time to go. Good luck with your build, man.